Hola, hi everyone. I am Dr. Haydee Taylor Arnold. I am so excited to invite you to my session, Teaching Smarter with AI, Google Gemini as your classroom assistant. Have you ever wished for more time to plan creative lessons or engage in activities or to personalize learning for your students? In this session, we will explore how Google Gemini can help make that possible. We will start by analyzing what AI literacy and effective prompting really mean for educators. Then we will explore Gemini tools designed to enhance language teaching. You will even get to try hands-on prompts for lesson planning, resource creation, and student tasks, discovering how AI can inspire creativity and save valuable time. You will leave with practical strategies to simplify planning, enhance instruction, and bring AI into your classroom as a true collaborative partner. Let's create more time for what matters most, teaching. I can't wait to see you there.